We would like to introduce ourselves to you. Welcome aboard JetBlue. We're so happy to have you aboard today. And we do apologize for the delay. We thank you so much for being with us. My name is Kim Annette. It is my absolute pleasure flying with Ricky from the cabin. Juliana is over the wings and Diane is in the rear. Our captain is Stephen Miley. He's assisted by First Officer Dylan Calla. Our estimated flight time today is 4 hours and 35 minutes. Your safety is our top priority, so please give us a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Please follow along the safe information card in your seatbelt pocket. Federal law requires you to follow all other information signs, posted placards, and especially crew members' instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unwelcome or inappropriate behavior to an in-flight crew member. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat leather end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To release the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelts fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew to open the pouch, remove the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Secure the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blow into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the aircraft. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A320 has 8 emergency exits, 2 doors in the front, 4 window ends of the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with evacuation slide that can be attached from the aircraft and used as a raft. An additional raft is located in the forward storage unit. In the event of an emergency, please leave all personal belongings and head to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead, and the lights on the floor will also guide you to the exits. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exit, and remember it might be behind you. If there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering. Place oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on first before helping others. We will let you know when it's no longer needed. We'll be passing through the cabin to make sure you're ready for departure. You can help us by making sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all of your counter items are put away. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense that could result in a fine. This aircraft has 3 restrooms, 1 in the front and 2 in the back. Infant changing tables can be found in the front restroom and 1 of the restrooms in the back. We do ask that you please do not flush hand wipes on lavatory toilets, and please don't leave them in your seatbelt pockets. All of our planes are equipped with free unlimited high-speed Wi-Fi.